How to make a basic shape with cold porcelain clay. You mesh up a piece of tin foil about half the size of what you want your final piece to be and making the shape that you want. In this case, it's going to be an oval shape. And then you grab your cold porcelain clay from the plastic wrap and you're going to knead it for a while until the clay is nice and soft. If it's feeling a little bit too dry, you can always add a little bit of water with your fingers. And then you're going to roll the clay in a nice rounded shape and you're going to mash it up just a little bit and you're going to roll it around your tin foil until it closes on itself using your hands and nice and gently. It can take a little bit of practice to do that. Make sure it closes all over on itself and that there are no pieces of tin foil showing. Keep on rolling and checking and closing it off. And then you might still see little lines around. And the best way to make them go away is just to dab your finger on a little bit of water and rub on those areas. And that should make those lines disappear. So you roll until you get the final shape that you want. Nice and easy. And then you don't want to put it on a piece of paper to dry because when you do, it actually gets sticky and it can mess up your shape. So the best way to do this is to use a soft cloth. I like to use a pillow cover, and that's my head right there. And you can lean it over that soft cloth to dry. And the part that's touching the soft cloth might take a little bit longer to dry. So after a while, you might want to turn the piece around to dry it on the other side faster as well. But that's a nice way to keep your shape not messing up.